Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna know how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. I think it's pretty easy. Now first, what you have to do, you have to get the PC health check. I will be leaving the link for the download in the description. You just have to wanna check, if your PC is compatible. Now, if your PC meets the minimum requirement, you should be able to upgrade it, easily. But there's this case that even though your PC meets the required the minimum requirement, but you wouldn't find it in the Windows update, as I'm going to show you. Okay, so you go for your Windows update. Some people are going to find it over there as soon as their PC meets the minimum requirements. Do you get it? So if your PC, like mine, it meets the minimum requirement, but you will not find it here, you're going to see you can try it all over. You're not going to find a Windows 11 update. I'm going to show you how you're going to get it. Okay, so you can see everything is intact. Now this time you're not going to join the insider program. No, that's not what we're going to do. Okay, so what you basically going to do is, I'll be leaving this link in the description. You can get the Windows Installation Assistant, which is the best way of upgrading if you're not finding it in your update. Or you can get the installation media, or you can download the ISO file. So with this, if your computer does not meet the minimum requirement, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, so with mine, it meets it, so I'll just upgrade it straight from here. You're gonna download it, and then it's very fast. You just have to open it, run as admin. And then you accept and install. It's pretty easy. You just hit on accept and install, and then that's it. You just have to wait for it to finish downloading. The first step, that's the first step, is going to install. Now the second step is going to verify the download, and then the third step is going to install it. Then you're good to go. Let me know in the comment section if this video helped you, and do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.